Hello everybody, my name is Khanh. I'm from Vietnam. Today I introduce four functions. Four functions useful in everyday you use. I think you like. The first, the mirror. Every day we use. I can't remember operate the mirror. If you use my function, your mirror auto operate. You don't worry about lost your bag and the water into your car. Very easy. And you can install in your home plug and play. 5 minutes finish. And now we start for you. We downgrade the mirror. And now upgrade the mirror. We have three options. The first, use tap here. You tap here. Your mirror auto operate. For mirror auto operate. Very easy. And now we downgrade the mirror again. You can using the lock in your remote. I push here, lock. Auto mirror operate. And now I downgrade the mirror again. I using my Volvo car app. Yeah, I lock and lock. You see, Volvo car. You can operate the mirror every area in your town, in your home. And the second function, I very like. We start engine by Volvo car app, and now I start engine by remote. When you cannot connect Volvo car app into your car, and now I start engine in remote. You can see, lock here, put 2 times, lock, you see, lock, you see. Hearing engine. And now we can turn off your engine using unlock and lock. Unlock and lock. You see the left. 2 times. Your engine turn off. You can hear. Very easy. Useful for you every day. And now in engine start, we can the heater fast, go out fast. You can downgrade your mirror 3 cm, and if you want downgrade 3 cm again, total 6 cm. I can do it. Now we can see. This is my remote, and I push lock, unlock, lock, lock, unlock, lock. Your mirror downgrade 3 cm. The heater go out fast if your engine start. And you see, not enough. I can downgrade 3 cm again, total 6 cm. Lock, unlock, lock. Downgrade 3 cm. Nah. And after that, you want operate. We need lock only. Lock, auto operate. How about my function? I think you like because very easy and useful for every day. And the last malfunction, your chair auto forward and auto backward if you turn off and turn on engines. Very easy. You can see. Forward and backward, you can easy go out and go in your car. And protect your chairs. Protect it hit your chair. Protect your leader. Thanks for watching my video. I'm Khan. You can buy this my function in description. And I warranty for you 1 year, one by one. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.